What's up everybody, Brad at Proformance Unlimited. Today on the Dyno. This is a unique one. It's going into a 68 F100. And this customer actually had this motor right here. We actually rebuilt it for to go Procharged application. This guy purchased it right around 2012. And it's been running for a while. He loves it. And he's like, hey, I want more power. So we're like, hey, we'll give you some more power. And we bolted an F1 Procharged around here. Said, hey, we'll give you some more power. And it runs about 14 pounds of boost, making some good power. Got an intercooler set up here with the Holley high ram. We got a custom painted black. Got the MSD dual sync in here with the LS coils on top here. This just acts as a crank and cam sensor, and it runs the coils here, and more efficient burn on every cylinder. Everything just looks great, runs great, sounds great. If you want anything wild like this, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940.
We redone that original motor that I built for you years ago. It's going to go into your 68 F100. We now made it a 427 Procharger, and it came out gorgeous. Custom painted it black, all the goodies on here. It looks beautiful, and it runs well.